Good day, students. So, mao ni atong next nga topic for the kang leon amo na ning na discuss pero ara lamang ibalik para sa uban, no? Okay, so naata sa deciles after quartile is the deciles for ungrouped data. So the deciles are the 9 score points which divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. They are deciles and are denoted as d sub 1, d sub 2, d sub 3, up to d sub 9. They are computed in the same way that the quartiles are calculated. So parehara gyapon na siya sa gipakita ninyo sa quartile nga ato sidyang gibahin og kaupat. So pagbahin og kaupat sa quartile, kung maghiwa ka og cake, ang hiwa nimo is tulo para naay upat ka bahin. So karon ang atong hiwa is siyam tanan. So that we will have 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mura na. So diri, we are going to have this example. Find the third decile or d sub 3 of the following test scores of a random sample of 10 students. So the test scores are here: 35, 42, 40, 28, 15, 23, 33, 20, 18, and 28. So the first step gajud sa pag-solve is arrange in descending order. So inigsuwat nimo, you write pangita ang kinagamyan, 15 crush out, you write 15, then 18 crush out, you write 18, and so on hangtod mahurot ang 10 ka students. So take note that the total number of students is 10. Karon unsa may atong gamiton nga formula? As said, nga parihara gyapon siya sa pag-compute sa quartile in Mendenhall method. So since decile na, so we will have first this one, the position. Kay stick to ko ani nga part ha. You write kadyo the word position of this decile 3, and then you follow the formula. The formula is just the k of n plus 1 over 10. 10 na because decile na. It's because of this decile. 4 ni kung quartile pa. Okay, so since 3 ni, so you write now 3 times, and our n is 10, so you have 3 times 10 plus 1 over 10. So it is 3 times 11 over 10, and it is 33 over 10, and 33 divided by 10 is just 3.3, and 3.3 is when rounded off is 3, meaning this is the position of decile 3. Position pa na siya. So it is not yet the answer. You go back, ang inigdaan na kay answer ana, moadto ka sa arrange data, unja mag-ihap ka sa tulo. 1, 2, and 3. So therefore, your third decile is 20. So you make the conclusion, therefore, decile 3 is 20. Ana ra na. So this is your first activity. Ang score ani i-add nato sa total score sa notebook. Okay? So injuning ansiran unsay pangitaon? Ang second decile, sixth decile, and eighth decile of these 15 customers. So take note, di na 10 ha, it's 15. So your n is 15, but still your denominator sa formula is 10 kay decile man lagi. So ari na ta sa percentile for ungrouped data. Same ra ni parinti ra na silang quartile, decile, percentile. Only nga ang quartile gi-divide og ka 4 equal parts, ang decile 10 equal parts, ang percentile is 100 equal parts. So equal ra ang P of 10 or the 10th percentile sa first decile. Ang second decile, it is equivalent to the 20th percentile. Ang 50th percentile, decile 5 ra na. Unja agka na pong 50 og decile 5, equivalent po nag quartile 2. Pareho ra na sila. Okay, let's proceed to example. Find the 30th percentile or P sub 30 of the following test scores of a random sample of 10 students: 35, 42, 40, 28, 15, 23, 33, 20, 18, and 28. And again, is our first step is to arrange gajod. So 15, oh sorry, crush out na, isuwat si 15, then crush out 18, isuwat na pud nimo 18, up to mahurot tanang data din ha, tanang elements. And our n here is, isuwat pud na to si n, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gihapon. Papahinayi gamay pa imong kuan, salida pa hinayi gamay. N is equal to 10. So, ang ato gyapong formula kay maura gyapon tong dagana, but then it depends now sa unsay gipangadyo. Let it be represented by k gyapon, and then k times n plus 1. Unja, it is now over 100. Why? Kay percentile na ta. So, since atong gipangita kay 30th percentile, so we write here position of percentile 30 or 30th percentile. Unja atong formula i-follow ni. So 30 kay 30th percentile man, jaag n kay 10 man, so you write 10 plus 11. Oh no, sorry. 10 plus 1. Sorry. 10 plus 1 unja over 100 unja 30 times 11 over 100. So it is now equal to 330 over 100. Lisod kog suwat kay wa man koy stylus. Di man ni tablet ang gamit. So the answer here is 30. It's 3.3. Yes, 3.3. And rounded off into 3. So again, note that 3 is just the position of percentile 30. You need to go back to the arranged data and you count 1, 2, and 3. So, di ara si percentile 3. So, you make now the conclusion. Therefore, our 30th percentile is 20. Okay. So, this is your second practice activity. Again, ang total nga score i-plus sa points sa notebook. So, the scores of Miss World candidates, 7 judges na, mauni. Adyo ra mo ka tinga nga nung na mga decimal. Unja, mao ni inyong pangitaon. 60th percentile and the 35th percentile. So, you need to find first pila ng n, and then the first step is to arrange unja ag formula. So that's all. I hope you have understood ang say atong gipasabot ani sa genre ni. Sige. So you are going to continue with this, and then mag-answer mo unja ugma is our long test. That is our summative test number 1. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much.